Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see what is the reciprocity theorem. This theorem is applicable only with the single source circuit. Single source means it may be voltage or current source. So if there is only one voltage source or only one current source is connected in a circuit, then we can use this theorem to find out solution of our problem. Let us see if only voltage source is connected as a source, then how can we use this theorem? Suppose we have given a linear resistive network and VA voltage is applied across terminal A and A dash, and at the output IB current is find out across terminal B and B dash. So this theorem says that if we replace the circuit at the output across terminal B and B dash with voltage source, then its response at the input will be the same current IB across terminal A and A dash. So suppose V1 voltage is applied in a linear resistive network and its response is I1, and if we replace output of the circuit with voltage source V2, then its response at the same terminal where V1 was applied is I2. Then this theorem says that response upon excitation will be equal to constant. So response in the circuit is I1 and excitation is V1. Then here we can write as I1 by V1 response upon excitation equal to response of linear resistive network when V2 voltage is applied as excitation. So here it will be equal to I2 by V2. So we can write it as V1 by I1 equal to V2 by I2. Now let us see how can we apply reciprocity theorem. To apply the reciprocity theorem, we replace our voltage source by short circuit, and at a new location, if we are shifting this voltage source, then we need to remember what is the direction of current in that branch. We need to apply voltage source in that branch according to correspondence of that current. Means the current direction should not be changed at that branch. Current source is applied in a circuit, then here we can see that this is a linear resistive network and IA current source is applied at input and its output response is VB. Then if we replace this voltage source by this current source, then its response will be same as response was here. So here if IA is applied at this output, then its response at input will be equal to VB. We can see from this example that this I1 current source is applied at here and the response is V1 across this R3 resistance. If we apply this current source at this output means here, then its response will be V2. Then we can write by using the reciprocity theorem that response upon excitation, that is the V1 by I1, will be equal to response upon excitation, that is V2 by I2. Since this response is generated by using this current source and here this V2 response generated by using this current source I2. Now we need to remember that if we are replacing a current source, then it will be open circuited as shown here, that this current source is replaced from here, then this will be open circuited as shown here, it is open circuited, and polarity of current source at new location should be same corresponding with the voltage polarity. If we will not be cautious about this correspondence of polarity, then negative sign will be appear in our solution of the question. So we need to remember these things. So this is the reciprocity theorem. We will see more questions to understand these concepts. See you guys in next videos.